Hello dear students, this is Miss Jhumu, your maths teacher. Lately I have been giving you assignments through the School Tree app regularly. I hope you have been able to follow the instructions and the concepts I have given you to do the exercises. You have been doing the exercises based on chapter 1, large numbers. Today you are going to learn about rounding of numbers, which is also known as estimation. Now, what is rounding of numbers? Rounding of a number means that instead of giving the exact value, we give a number closer to it, which is easier to remember and use. In other words, we give an approximate value. For example, if I paid rupees 238 for a shirt, I can say that I paid approximately rupees 240. Now, before we begin with rounding of numbers, we must keep in mind certain points. So, here are some points to remember before we begin with rounding of numbers. Point 1. If the number we are rounding off is 5 or more than 5, we add 1 to the digit left to it and the rest of the digits towards its right turns 0. Now in this number given here, the rounded off digit is 8, which is more than 5. So according to the rule, we have to add 1 to the digit left to it. Now the digit left to it is 8. So 8 plus 1, it becomes 9 now. This number can be written as 590000 after rounding off. Point 2. If the number we are rounding off is less than 5, then the digits towards its right turns 0. There will be no changes in the digits towards the left of it. Now here in this number given, the rounded off digit is 2, which is less than 5. Therefore, according to the rule, all the digits at the left of it remains the same, but 2 and 1 turns to 0. So after rounding off, this number can be written as 588600. Now, let us learn to round off numbers with the help of place value chart. Now, I have taken the place value chart of Indian system of numeration here. So, let us find out how do we round off numbers with the help of the place value chart. The first one here is rounding off to nearest 10. Let us first find out which number do we have in the 10th place. We have 8 here in the 10th place. But we have to take a number nearest to 10th place. So nearest to 10th place is 1. That is less than 5. According to the rule, if the number we are rounding off is less than 5, the digits at the left of the number remains the same, but the rounded off digit turns to 0. So this number after rounding off can be written as 2, 3, 5, 2, 8, 0. The next we have rounding off to nearest 100. Now let us find out which digit do we have in the hundreds place. We have 7 in the hundreds place here. So we have 7 in the hundreds place. We have to find a number which is nearest to it. So nearest to it is 2. Therefore, we round off 2 here. Now this 2 is less than 5. According to the rule we learned, if the rounded off number is less than 5, all the digits at the left of it remain the same, but the right hand side digits turn to 0. So this number can be written as 5, 3, 7, 0, 0 after rounding off. Next we have rounding off to nearest thousand. Let us find out which digit do we have in the thousands place. We have 3 in the thousands place. Therefore, the number nearest to it is 7. The number nearest to it is 7. According to the rule, this number 7 is more than 5. So, we have to add 1 to the left hand side digit of it. We have to add 1 to 3 here, which becomes 4 now. So this number after rounding off can be written as 8, 5, 2, 4, 0, 0, 0. So when the number rounded off is more than 5, we add 1 to the left hand side digit of it, and rest of the numbers in the left hand side remains the same. Right hand side digits change to 0. I hope you have been able to understand how we estimate or round off numbers. Let us revise once again with the points to remember when we round off numbers. Points to remember, let us revise once again. If the number we are rounding off is 5 or more than 5, we add 1 to the digit left to it, and the rest of the digits towards its right turns 0. Second point to remember, if the number we are rounding off is less than 5, then the digits towards its right turns 0. There will be no changes in the digits towards the left of it. I hope it is clear, children. Assignments will be given to you in the School Tree app regularly. Do follow it and keep your work up to date. Stay safe, children. God bless you.